I liked math and science, and my mom was a nurse, so I thought that was a nice thing for me. It was my first rotation during med school when we went to the hospitals, and I liked surgery because the people there took care of the patient, top to bottom. Medicine did surgery, repaired problems. You know, I liked the immediate gratification of fixing their problem with surgery. And I enjoyed taking care of them too as patients with their medical problems too, but I thought it allowed me to be the complete doctor. I like to explain the problem in a very simple way that they can understand it. And because, you know, it's, if anything, medical jargon only impresses your peers, it rarely impresses patients. So I think it's good just to make a very simple idea of what's wrong and how we can fix it and something they can understand. And I think it puts them at ease, and we can leave all the medical terminology for your coworkers. I like internet conversations a little bit, because most of the time if they visit a well-constructed site or a reputable site, they usually have very good questions, that allows you to answer their questions, and they have some understanding what their problem is. So in my mind, many times it speeds along the office process because they have some degree of understanding of their problem. And the rest of it is then, you know, answering questions and trying to do the right thing, because like many things in life, there are lots of opinions about how to repair a problem or fix a problem or approach a problem, and you have to kind of help them decipher what the right answer is for them, because it's not always the same. Because just because what your neighbor had doesn't mean it's the same thing that you had. I love the community. This is where it's at. You know, people are nice. The hospital is nice. My practice of surgery is nice. It's great actually for me, because in a small town, it allows me to practice a wide breadth of general surgery, which I like. But more importantly, I moved here because of the town and the schools, Forge Lake, golf course, the mountains, outdoor activity, trail running, mountain biking, cross-country skiing. But what's what I liked about our areas, because, you know, anything outdoors you can really do in our area. I like all the silent sports, and it's hard to beat this area for silent sports. You know, some of the finest mountain biking, cross-country skiing in Midwest, and almost anywhere I would think in the United States is here, but it's all within 20 miles of driving for most of these things. And I like the Four Seasons. There's no prettier place than Houghton and Hancock in the summer. You know, I never get tired of helping people. That's it. You, especially when the few that you get to treat that actually really appreciate what you did for them, and they say thank you.